Hey guys, we actually have a bird nest up here. It's been up here for a while actually, probably about a month or two. But the eggs in there has finally hatched, so I want y'all to see that. There's the nest. Can you see the birds a little bit? I'm gonna grab a ladder here so we can get a closer look. Carrying a ladder that hit the garage top. Carrying a ladder, I like carrying ladders. We have the ladder. Oh, mama bird, mama bird. I'm afraid that mom's gonna beat the crap out of me. I'm not gonna touch him or anything. Yeah, you can see the birds getting mad. Okay, just want to show you that.